How to change background on WhatsApp. Follow this guide. Initially open the WhatsApp app on a device and head into the chat where you want to change the background. Once inside, tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. In the chat settings menu, select chat theme. You will now see several background options available. Simply tap on any background to preview it. This way you can easily decide which one matches your vibe. If you want to customize it even further, tap on the circular icon at the bottom left. Here you can pick a new color for your chats. Once you're happy with the changes, hit the check mark icon at the top right to save and apply your new background. A confirmation message will appear. Click on Set Theme to confirm your action. And just like that, you have changed your background on WhatsApp.